Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to use the lasso tool for selecting objects from the image, which is in this case is this. So we are going to work with this image and let's get started. So this is the lasso tool and we can just long tap on it. So you get three options: lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool and magnetic lasso tool. So let's start by using lasso tool. So just quickly zoom into the picture using Control and plus. Now, lasso tool is basically like a selection tool, but it's not like quick selection tool where you have to select the whole image and then if it gets selected not so properly, so you have to refine it. So it's just basically like drawing onto the image and then selecting that part. So let's suppose we select this part. So we can just like draw on this image to select the part. Now this is the image that we have selected. Press Ctrl plus C to copy. Now let's press Ctrl plus V. So the image has been pasted and it looks like this. So basically the background has also been cut from the image because we have drawn our lines through the background. So it's more of a quick selection, just like when you want to select some particular shape or something that is camouflage with the background and the background doesn't change in other circumstances where you want to paste it, then this is a quick tool. You don't have to mess around with the quick selection tool. You can just quickly select using the lasso tool. The second is the polygonal lasso tool. This is a quite important selection tool where you can select edges properly without any distortion or when by using the quick selection tool. So what happens with the polygonal lasso tool is that you select a point and then a line appears from that point and that point stays where it is. So we can just drop points and select the particular region inside those lines. So this is the region that we selected and we can always just move it or anything. So that's the thing. So let's go to the background layer and use this polygonal lasso tool on this ruler. So let's select this point and then let's draw a line till this point, then this point, then this one, and then take it back to where it was. So let's press Ctrl plus C and then Ctrl plus V. So this is our image. It has been pasted over here. Now this is like a sharp selection and it didn't take much time, and as you can see the edges are quite sharp just as they were over here. But well, if we use the quick selection tool over here, it will take too much time and then it will take a lot of refinements. So polygonal lasso tool is the best tool for like selecting edges. There is one more tool called the magnetic lasso tool. So it's just like the quick select tool, but it's not much efficient as you can see. So if I want to select this part, let's select this YouTube icon. So it just keeps on plotting points and then you have to select. So the curves and all small parts you have to plot small points so that they get stuck to the place they are and then we can select the point. But I don't feel that this is a good selection technique because I just feel like this is not much of use. Okay, I just don't feel like this is of much use because we have the quick select tool and this is not much accurate and this is not precise actually. As you can see, little background is still over here and refinement in this case is also very hard as compared to the quick selection tool. Well, that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 Pixels and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.